Hey there, we are apparently on day 5 of this TUAC 5-minute challenge with the Ugly Art Club, and I was thinking, oh, this might be kind of fun to use a vintage recipe card. I mean, come on, a daffodil cake? Really? Okay. So anyway, I am using this vintage recipe card as my background here, and I go to spray through the stencil. Super fun, loving the orange, right? Totally obsessed with that. Tim Holtz, it is the spiced marmalade. And then I thought, ooh, I'll go ahead and hit that with a little dab of water to let that run. And, oh, who the heck would have figured that the pen they used would also run? Goodness. So,
Wow.
interesting turn of events here. always learning here. So anyway, I will continue on. We'll have to spritz a little more color back into that now that I washed half of it away along with most of the words in that corner. But anyway, continue on. We are still holding this challenge. There are still plenty of days yet to come. Also some really great prompts still coming up yet. So if you have not joined us, you can find us over at theuglyartclub.com, and there is a 5-minute challenge tab. You can sign up and get the printable tabs, which are super awesome, by the way, in case you haven't grabbed them. And yeah, swing over, see what Miss Tiffany Goff Smith, Southern Gals Design, is up to, along with Dee Dee Catron. Each of us, the founders, are playing along and sharing our videos of the work that we have been producing for this particular challenge. So anyway, also using a few, I was on a roll the other day and had done a ton of image transfers. So I had a small pile over there. So I thought, ooh, that might be kind of fun just to layer up a few of these image transfers. They had really interesting patterns on them. I thought it would be kind of cool to use some of those, a little vintage vibe maybe on my card here. Anyway, I'm going to stop gabbing and let you just finish watching this. Super fun today. Hope you're joining us. If you are, make sure to tag us either on Instagram, or we do have a Facebook group, The Ugly Art Club. You can ask to join. We'll get you slid in. Plenty of inspiration being shared at both of those social media places. So if you want to take a look around, take a look there, see what else everyone else is up to. But thank you so much for being here and for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I am, waking up. Here I am, waking up.
love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.